All right, y'all, so we are back with another video, man. Today we got the PGYTECH Mantis Pod Power. This is going to be for the GoPro, all right? This is going to be the GoPro edition. Now, I rock a GoPro 11, but I'm pretty sure this will work with, what, the 10, 11, 12, and 13, or at least at a minimum, the 11, 12, and 13. Now, they do have a GoPro Volta grip. I think that's what it's called, the Volta, which is kind of sort of, you know, similar to this, or this is similar to that one. But the reason why I didn't go with the GoPro one was because I felt like this Mantis Pod had just a couple of more additional little features that I liked on this one over the GoPro Volta. Now, that don't mean that I won't get a Volta in the future. I just felt like this one just had a couple of more things that I liked. And on top of that, it is cheaper than the Volta. I think the Volta is about 100 and something bucks, if I'm not mistaken, brand new. And I only paid, what, 69 bucks for this with a 10% off coupon. I think that's what it was at the time when I bought it. But even looking back on Amazon right now, I think it's still like 69 bucks. You know what I'm saying? So I will make sure I throw a link in the description. Now, what I'm going to do here is just go ahead and unbox this joint, and we're going to start playing around with this, man, and taking a look at it, man. But anyway, I want to give you guys a quick little tour of the box. But this is what it looks like here. Nice little picture right there on this side right here. It gives you a little description of every single thing that's going to come inside the box, and we'll go through all that stuff here in a hot minute. Then on the back, it just shows you a couple of ways that you can use it. And this is one of the things that I said I like about it right here is the fact that it's a tripod. Now, the Volta is a tripod as well. But at least at a minimum, I feel like, you know, you get an extra little feature because you can hang it on like a fence or do something. You know, you can hang it on things. So I thought that was another good look. It also has a little control, so you can still control the GoPro. Now, the Volta has that as well, but this one comes with that too. You can also charge your GoPro from the handle, and you can charge the handle up. So you can charge your GoPro, you can charge your phone, whatever, you know, you want to put on here. And I thought that was another good look as well. The Volta does do that too. And then right here, you have this little, you can kind of do this little undercarry grip. I thought that was pretty cool. But one of the biggest things that I like about it, outside of it being able to charge the GoPro, was right here. It has this little clip that you can easily slide the GoPro in and out. I thought that was really the selling factor for me. All right, so once you open up the box and get everything out, this is what you're gonna have. You're gonna have two little cards right here, and you're gonna have a user manual. You can throw that off to the side. You ain't gonna need that. Then right here, you're going to have your adapter. So this is gonna be the little adapter right here. And it also comes with the little screw right here, the little thumb screw. So you're good right there. It's already kind of put together for you, but you got that action right there. Then right here, you got your quarter adapter right here, your 1/4-inch adapter right here too. You got that. Then right here, what you got? You got like a little lanyard. All right. After that, you got the additional side door for the GoPro. And the reason why you got this side door, which I already got mine removed, is so that you can put this side door on and then be able to charge through this side door. So I get all that set up as well. And then right here, let me see if I get this out. Should be the last piece. And then right here, yep, that should be it. Got another little sticker or something going on down here. And then you also have one of these right here. And you'll be good to go. The Allen key. And then right here, this is what it looks like. It's not too big. It's actually fairly small. It's not too big. I thought it was going to be way bigger than this, but it's actually fairly small. You got your little indicator lights going on right there on the side. You got your remote right here. You can also detach this remote control and still control your GoPro. So I think that's a good look in itself right there, to be able to control it and take this off. So that's a good look too. And then right here, you can unscrew this, and then you can set this up how you want. And then again, you can easily just slide these in, clip them in just like that with your GoPro on it. And then you can easily you can lock it right there. So if you want to push this in right here, let me see if I can do this right. Turn it like that, and then you can lock that so it won't come out. You can unlock it, push it in, and then slide it out just like that. And then you can also adjust the ball head and all of that just like this. So you got that action too. And then you got the cord right here so that you can actually charge the GoPro. So while the GoPro's on here, you can charge the GoPro. And then when you're not using this, you can just plug it in right there. And that's what that'll look like when you're not actually using it. You know what I'm saying? Then on top of that, now I'm new to this thing, but you can open this up like this, and you got your tripod action. So let me move this out of the way. So now you got your tripod action. So that's what that would look like with your tripod. And then not only do you got that, you can come down here, if I'm not mistaken, I think right there, and then you can open this up, and then you can hang this on like a fence or whatever the case, and then you'll be good to go from there as well. I think that's a really good look. And then they just slide back in to place just like that. Now, as far as charging this thing goes, all you do is open this little flap right here, and you got a USB-C right there. You plug in, and then you'll get your little indicators letting you know that you're charging this up, because you got to charge this up in order for this to give power to the GoPro. So to check the charge and the battery level or whatever the case, all you do is just plug it in USB right here, to an external power source, and then you'll be able to see how many bars you got. And right now, look like we got 3 bars. We got the last one flashing, so we do got a little bit of juice, so we good to go right there. So to get the GoPro set up on here is real simple. All you'll do is go ahead and put this door, take off your old door, put this door on just like this, and then you'll be able to close that door. Now what you do from here is you just go ahead and open this up right here, this little flap right there. And that's how you're going to have access to the USB-C port so that you can take advantage of charging up your GoPro as well. Next, all you got to do is put your GoPro mount right here on the bottom. Take the pod right here, the Mantis Pod, and then all you do is slide it in, and it clicks into place just like that. And this is what that looks like for you right there. It feels real nice and sturdy in the hands. I like that. That's real good. Then all you got to do right here is open this up so you can charge it. Take your GoPro, open up that little door, and then you can go around whatever way, but I'm just showing y'all for demonstration purposes. You plug that in like that, and then you get a little bit of power to the GoPro. So look at that. We got four bars right here, as you can see, and we actually charging the GoPro just like that. So now you in there just like this. And on top of that, it does work with the media mod as well. So that's another good look too. So it does work with the media mod. So let's go ahead and pair up the control. So to go ahead and pair up the remote right here to your GoPro, all you do is go to the preferences. Then you're going to hit wireless connections right there. Then you go down to connect device. Where is it at? Right there. Hit connect device. And it already says Volta right there, but you're going to hit remote, the remote. And now it says it's putting in pairing mode. Then from here, all we got to do is hold this power button till the lights come on. Let's just keep holding. Now the lights are on and it says connection successful. So soon as I turn this on, it paired up right with the GoPro. And if I press this little mode button, I can go into photos. As you can see, I'm pressing the mode button here. I can go into photos, time lapse. I can go into video mode. You see what I'm saying? And then if I press the record button, it starts recording just like that, as you can see. See that? It starts recording just like that. So I think that's a good look, and you can stop the recording as well. You see what I'm saying? So that's a good look all in itself. All right, so I wanted to show y'all real quick before I go out here and just test out like what vlogging would feel like with this thing, man. But this is the media mod connected to it. And yes, it should work with the media mod as well. So if I plug it into the back of the media mod right up here at the top, you do got to stretch your cord a little bit. So just keep that in mind. But, you know, put it into the media mod just like this, and we should get a little bit of charge on the GoPro. As you can see right there, charging the GoPro. So even with the media mod, it does work with the GoPro. It's going to stretch your cord out just a little bit, but, you know, it is what it is. I think you'll be fine just like that. So let me test out what it feels like to kind of vlog with this thing. It's getting dark outside, but let's just go ahead and let me go test it really quick. Okay, so I'm just giving y'all my first impressions of vlogging with this thing, man. I'm just out here in the backyard. Snow is gone. Thank God, snow is gone. But yeah, this is what kind of looks like, it feels like. Just trying to give y'all my impressions of it, man. It feels really nice and sturdy in the hand. I had to get used to just now pressing the record button on the actual Mantis Pod, then pressing it on the GoPro. That was one of my first issues I noticed. I went up to reach to press the record button when I could have just easily pressed it down here. So I stopped recording and then I pressed it down there just to do it. But yeah, man, I like this little thing, man. It's really nice. And I like the fact that if my GoPro starts dying, I can easily just plug this thing in and rock out, man. So that's another good look. And on top of that, it's going to come in handy for some of the other vlogging that I'm going to be doing on my old channel that I'm kind of bringing back to life. So I just want to give y'all this update in this specific video. So I'm getting a Tesla here on February 5th. That's my delivery date. So if you want to follow my Tesla journey, my EV journey in general, because it's going to be my first introduction to EVs is with the Tesla. And if I start to venture out even more into EVs, I would like for you guys to follow that journey. I did give up riding my motorcycles and stuff like that. I sold my motorcycle about, 3 weeks, almost close to a month ago. Sold the motorcycle, man. And I decided to go ahead and put a Tesla in my motorcycle spot. And just currently, and just today, I got the plug installed into the wall. I got my NEMA 1450. I think that's what it's called, the NEMA 1450. I got it installed today, and my actual Tesla charger comes tomorrow. So let me know what you guys think, man. Do you want to see any Tesla videos on here? I might do a little walk around because it is a car that primarily is like tech related. So I may do a walk around for you guys on this channel. And then everything else will be on that channel over there, man. It's one of my old channels. It was a motorcycle channel. I deleted everything on it regarding motorcycles, and I just went ahead and set it up so it could be for the Teslas and the EVs that's going to be coming in the future. So if you want to follow that journey, I'll make sure I throw a link down here in the description. I also put up a community tab as well, just in case you guys want to follow that. But anyway, this Mantis Pod, I'm loving it already, man. You know, I'm gonna give you guys like a follow-up on this thing in the next couple of months or whatever the case. But right now, I'm loving this thing, and stay tuned because I'm gonna show you guys my complete setup for my GoPro, and just kind of walk you guys through my whole setup and how I use my GoPro. But you guys can kind of probably put it together now because you've seen a lot of the pieces, but you know, ain't nothing like showing you guys the ultimate vlog setup with your GoPro. So with that, guys, hopefully you enjoyed this video. Hopefully it's been helpful to you in some way. And if you did find it helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It's been your boy Jay, and I'm gonna get up out of here. Peace.